Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact M2 size that fits the enclosure. This matters for screw placement and heat contact. Once done, place the enclosure on an ESD-safe surface and fasten your anti-static wrist strap to ground you. Remove screws with the correct screwdriver, then slide the lid open gently. Do not force clips. Make sure to keep screws and spacers organized. They are small but essential for alignment and thermal contact. You align the M2 notch with the keyed slot and insert the module at a gentle 20 to 30 degree angle so pins seat evenly. Once the module is fully in the connector, press it down toward the standoff and secure it with the mounting screw. Do not over-tighten. If the enclosure includes a thermal pad or heatsink, place it over the controller and NVMe surface. This improves sustained performance under heavy file transfers, so make sure contact is even. You replace the cover and tighten screws evenly. A firm but gentle torque prevents stripped threads. Next, plug the enclosure into your host using the supplied USB-C or Thunderbolt cable, and then check Disk Utility or Device Manager to confirm detection. If the drive is visible but uninitialized, format or initialize as needed. If the device is not detected, try a known good cable and port, reset the NVMe, and confirm host NVMe support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.